What's up, folks? My name is Christopher Mosley. I like to call myself a cinematographer. I shoot a lot of weddings, music videos, interviews, and things of that nature. I just wanted to share a quick unboxing with you guys. I invested in a great piece of glass. Currently, I'm shooting on the FX30. So in terms of what I'm shooting on, I needed something that was excellent in low light because we all know the only shortcoming of the X30 is its low light performance. So I wanted to get a great prime lens, something that was good in low light, and something that was small, compact, and then just with excellent optical qualities. So what I opted for was the 35mm G Master f1.4. So I just wanted to come quickly and share this unboxing with you guys. I wanted to wait until tomorrow, but got a little excited. So here I am unboxing it tonight. I ordered this from B&H and I got a used one. Normal price, I think these are around $1,500. I ended up getting this one for $1,100. It came out to around 12, a little over 1,200 with shipping and all that. So not a bad deal. I don't know how they want you to get into it. There we go. There it is. Let's check it out. First impressions, it is very, very compact, but it has some heft to it. Like, it feels like it's an expensive lens. It does not feel cheap. I love the compact design of the lens hood because sometimes lens hoods just kind of get in the way, so it tends to make me kind of leave them at home. But this one is compact, and I think I'll get some use out of this one because it's, like I said, it's compact and it won't be easy to just flip it the opposite way when I'm not using it. But yeah, this thing is nice. Like I said, I'll do some reviews at a later time. I just wanted to open it and document this, just, for me to look back on of the day when I got it, and for me to have. We can mount it and see what we got when we mount it on the camera. Like I said, I shoot on the FX30, so I'm hoping that'll improve my low light. You got that f1.4 aperture. Wow. It feels good. It doesn't feel top heavy. It's balanced. I'm planning to upgrade to the FX3 before the end of the year, so that's also why I wanted to go ahead and get a full frame lens, because I have a Tamron 17 to 28, I believe, so that meets my needs as far as on the wide angle ends right now. But when I switch to full frame, that'll help out a lot. But now I have a 35 and I also got an 85mm 1.8, so I'm looking to upgrade some glass this year and just upgrade my optical quality to improve my final product to my clients. So I want y'all to stay tuned. Like I said, I'll be doing a full review of this lens after having it for a couple of weeks. Full review of the FX30 and a few other pieces of gear that I've been meaning to get to. So y'all stay tuned, man. I just wanted to share this with you guys. So let me know what you thought about this unboxing and what you think about this lens. Any thoughts, opinions, anything. Just hit me up in the comments. Appreciate it.